Factor meals microwave versus oven instructions. Microwave instructions, super quick and easy. Step 1. Remove the outer sleeve. Step 2. Leave the meal in its tray but peel back one corner of the plastic film. Step 3. Microwave for 2 to 3 minutes on high. Step 4. Let it sit for 1 minute before removing because it's hot. Ideal for busy schedules and fast meals. Downside, may lose crispiness and texture. Oven instructions. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. Step 2. Remove meal from tray and place it oven safe dish. Step 3. Cover with foil to retain moisture. Step 4. Heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Optional, remove foil for last 5 minutes to brown the top. Great for meals like steak, chicken, or casseroles. Downside, takes longer and adds cleanup. Which one to choose? Microwave, best for convenience, speed, and minimal dishes. Oven, best for taste, texture, and a more home-cooked feel. So that's it.